What is up and welcome to another video. Today is Monday, October 30, 2023. Bitcoin is trading at $34,400 today, still trading inside that possible bull pennant pattern. And also Bitcoin eyes golden cross ahead of Fed key economic data. Join me today, guys, as we navigate the crypto market, and we will check the latest news and crypto updates that could affect the Bitcoin's price. If you are new to the channel and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, share this video, and hit that notification bell. The U.S. stocks rise Monday amid market relief that Israel-Hamas conflict did not widen over the weekend. So this is a good news for the U.S. stocks, and I hope they can resolve the conflict between the Palestine and the Israeli. This conflict between Palestine and Israeli tracks back to the late 19th century, and I hope they can find a solution for that, because the innocent civilians are suffering from this war. And also we need to keep an eye on the Bitcoin golden cross, guys. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin 50-day moving average is about to cross the 200-day moving average. So Nasdaq is up by 0.48%. Also S&P 500 is up. Same with Dow Jones and US 500. Also US 50 is up by 1% today. So that's a good start. And also these are some of the altcoins that we need to keep an eye on. Bitcoin's price hovers near 35,000 as Ethereum, APT, QNT, and RUNE turn bullish. So later I'm going to check some of these charts, some of these altcoins here, and let's see if we can find a potential entry. All right, so looking at the Bitcoin's daily time frame, this green line right here, this is your 50-day moving average. This is about to cross the 200-day moving average, guys. And historically, when this golden cross happens, it is usually followed by a price surge. As what you can see, we had this previous golden cross, guys, and we have seen Bitcoin's price surge from 21,500 up to this level right here, or up to until now, $25,000 or $35,000. And right now we are about this moving averages are about to cross. While that cross is the opposite of the golden cross, guys. That's what you can see here. This 50-day moving average crosses below this 200-day moving average, and then we have seen a massive move to the downside. Also here we had a golden cross that happened September 2021, and we have seen the price rally from 46,000 up to $69,000, and this is about to happen, guys. Keep an eye on this. Although this is a lagging indicator, this could still affect the price, especially that Bitcoin spot ETF approval is on its way. So I have posted the dates, the approval dates of these Bitcoin ETFs in our public Telegram group, and of course in our Discord group. And also, if you have watched my previous video, Bitcoin is still trading, the Bitcoin's price is still trading in between this bull pennant formation here. So I have actually two targets here. The conservative target, which is around $35,800, and also this longer pole right here, which targets the price of $40,000 for Bitcoin. And for short term, we have this 50 moving average acting as a support for Bitcoin. So watch out for a possible retest of this area if you want to FOMO into this long position. But also you need to keep an eye on this support. If this breaks down, if this doesn't hold the price, then the price could actually drop to 31,300. Again, we have a fair value gap at around this level right here. So once the price breaks this support right here, then the price could drop drastically up to $31,300. And also, one thing that we need to keep an eye on is the fourth halving of Bitcoin, guys. That will happen on April 2024. That is like 7 months or 6 months from now. And of course, if you have watched my previous video, I have explained how to trade this bull pennant pattern and how to check for a possible confirmation of breakout. If you haven't watched that video, feel free to check it out. I will add the link above. And as what you can see, guys, I am using BitGet chart here, and I have recently partnered with BitGet, and there will be an exclusive new rewards to, if you create an account using my referral link in the description down below, there will be a chance, you will have a chance to win up to $4,163. And also you can claim this $1,000 welcome package USDT, guys. So all you have to do is just to complete these steps here, and then you will be eligible to get this 1,000 US dollars or USDT as a new user task. And also, guys, these are some of the top things that you need to keep an eye on, because NASDAQ, or Dow Jones rather, breaks down below this support trend line. The next target that I am looking at will be around $43 to $40 or 40 level for Dow Jones. Same as with NASDAQ weekly time frame. Right now the price is hovering near the support zone, but if this breaks, guys, the next target that I will be looking at will be at around this level right here, around $40. So keep an eye on the traditional market, because in the long term this could still affect the overall crypto market, guys. And also, before we end this video, let's check some of this altcoins here: Ethereum, APT, QNT, and RUNE. Let's check if we can get a good opportunity to take advantage of the current pump. And of course, if you're enjoying this kind of content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, leave some comments in the comment section down below, and of course click that notification bell so you won't miss any important updates from me. So for Ethereum, guys, this is still trading on a sideways channel here, and we have this 50 EMA acting as a support for Ethereum. This is the 4-hour time frame, guys. So this short-term trade, major support is still this 200 exponential moving average. Now let's check the Fibonacci retracement level. So this 50 EMA is in confluence with the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and of course this 200 EMA is in confluence with the 61.8. So these levels will be the level important, significant support for this uptrend, guys. So most of the altcoins are still in an overall uptrend. Ethereum, smaller time frame, still moving on a sideways channel. And of course we have this order blocks, guys. Look at this order blocks. Of course, using the chart prime indicator, we have 357,000 order blocks around this zone, guys. So at around 1776 up to 1784, and of course we have our bearish order block at around 1850 and 1872. Look at this, guys. The price previously got rejected from this level, and right now this level is still holding, guys. And if you want to find a better entry for this sideways channel, this would be the level for the bullish order block, guys. As what you can see, we have several wicks from this level, and every time the price drops to this level, the order limit orders are getting executed. As what you can see, we have this candle wick right here because we have a buying pressure at around this zone. So overall, still on a sideways channel until a breakout confirmation. So once you see the price breaks this zone, if the price breaks above, then it is likely that the price could continue to move higher up to 2000 level. But if the price breaks this 50 exponential moving average, it is likely that the price would revisit this 50 EMA. This is around $1,670 for Ethereum. Of course, I will be sharing the charts discussed in this video into our Telegram group. This is, by the way, a free public Telegram group. And of course, I will share the charts in our VIP Discord. This was one of the call, by the way. This chart is not clear. Let me show you the actual chart. So today, SUI has reached our short-term target, which is around 30% from the long entry point, guys. So look at this. The price was hovering at around this level when I posted this chart. So let me show you the previous chart of SUI. So here, when the price was trading at around this area, actually I still have the previous chart here. So this was the original chart. I was expecting a short bounce to the upside and then continue its move to the downside here. So the next chart for SUI was this one here. So we have seen the bounce back up and then a continuation of move to the downside. So the long entry point was around 0.3797, which was perfect, guys. And today, this was the latest update. Perfect long position at around 0.37. Our stop loss was perfectly placed below this support trend line. 30% pump or 30% price surge from the long entry point, and that is just the normal percentage without leverage. Imagine if you use like 5x leverage on this trade, that would be 150% profit. All right, if you want to join our Discord, private Discord group, you can head on to Patreon. The link is on the description down below. So let's check RUNE. RUNE on the weekly time frame right now is hovering near this 50 exponential moving average as a resistance, guys. But short term, the price could still revisit this area right here. So in the smaller time frame or in the daily time frame, this will be the resistance here. But in the weekly time frame, this chart still looks very bullish, guys. We have our previous resistance here. This will now act as a support for RUNE. So in the shorter time frame, our key support level will be from 1.86 up to 2.14, and we have this weekly candle trying to break this 50 exponential moving average, and our chart prime oscillator pro still looking very bullish, guys. We still have few distance to cover here before it reach the overbought area. Now looking at the daily time frame, this looks like a breakout, guys, and the price could still continue its move up to 3.1 level. This will be our next zone resistance for RUNE on the daily time frame. So if you are going to zoom out, this was the previous pivot point here for RUNE last August 2022, and we have like candle wicks up to this level right here. Watch out for the weekly candle closing above this 50 exponential moving average. If that is going to happen, then RUNE could still move up Major resistance on the weekly time frame is still at around 3.5 up to 3.76 area. Keep an eye on RUNE, guys. All right, so I will just share these charts in our Telegram group, and if you want to join our public Telegram group, just head on to or check out the link in the description below. So again, looking at the daily time frame, possible retested support or the breakout point here. So if you want to FOMO into this trade, possible retest of support here before continuing its move to the upside. Of course, you can place your stop loss just a little below or just below this wick right here. So let's check the possible risk to reward ratio for this trade. This will be around 8% versus 26% reward, but of course you need to manage your risk. All charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. So always trade at your own risk, manage your own risk. And also looking at the chart prime oscillator pro, we have a bearish signal here, and of course the oscillator is hovering near the overbought area, so be careful when you FOMO into this kind of pump, guys. There will be small retracement along the way. Let's try to check actually the Fibonacci retracement level. So this could still retrace as low as 1.95. This will be our 61.8, but the support or the breakout point here will be around 2.439. that will be the retest of previous resistance turned into a support. So I think we are 17 minutes right now. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me today. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video if you are enjoying this kind of content, and of course support the channel. Leave some comments in the comment section down below, and that's it. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.